Hello, welcome back to my channel Maison Network. Today we're gonna unboxing the one of the product that I just bought. This one from Ikea. It's called Hit. So this is the description. Okay, look at the pictures first. Okay, 790 for 3 pieces. Product details. Okay. Alright. Measurement 19 cm, 3 pieces. There's two sizes, one in 19, another one is 23 times 17, so this one. So but I just bought this 9 cm. Okay. What is cork? The material. All right. Okay, so that's it. I will give you the description below the description. The link. If you're interested to buy, below the video. Okay, so let's unboxing and let's look at the product. So here's the front product. Look at that. Behind. Okay, maybe you not see it, so I'm gonna open it. See anything behind? One, two, three. If you can see, when I just open it, there's a little debris here. Very lightweight and spongy, like a bit spongy. Very lightweight, made from cork. So there's 3 pieces here. Yeah. Okay, so that's it. Unboxing from me, the Hit from Ikea. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.